Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open your Oneplus Messages or compatible chat app to use stickers. Tap the emoji icon, then switch to the Sticker tab. Download sticker packs from the Oneplus store or third-party creators. Install a pack with 2 taps and open it to preview stickers. Drag and drop stickers into chats or tap to send instantly. Use animated stickers for higher impact. File sizes vary by pack. Favorites let you pin up to 20 stickers for quick access. Update packs monthly for new designs and improved performance. Create custom stickers by selecting an image and trimming it to 1/4. Remove background using the built-in tool and refine edges with the eraser. Add text, emojis, or drawings before saving your sticker to a personal pack. Long press a sticker in chat for reactions, message replies, or sticker info. Resize stickers by pinching with 2 fingers. Maintain aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Send single stickers or multi-sticker sequences for animated storytelling. Share packs with friends using export links and a 5-second setup process for installation. Open settings and manage sticker packs under apps and notifications if you need maintenance. Clear sticker cache in settings if stickers fail to load or appear corrupted. Limit installed packs to 50 to save storage and ensure fast loading in chats. Export packs to backup or share using the share link option with friends. Reinstall packs to fix animation glitches or update problems after 24 hours. For privacy, avoid installing unknown packs that request unnecessary permissions. Contact Oneplus support when a sticker pack causes repeated crashes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.